Step 1. Head over to eBay and click on Sell. Then select Create Listing to get started. Step 2. Search for a book by typing its name. Select a book from the eBay category and make sure to choose the brand new condition. Click Continue to Listing. Important, the book's image should be directly from eBay. If the listing has no image, pick a different book and repeat the process. Step 3. In the title section, click on See Title Options and enable the Custom Label SKU option. Step 4. Scroll to the description box and click on Use AI Description to automatically generate the product description. Step 5. Set the pricing format to Buy It Now. You can set any price, but we recommend setting it high. We're not actually trying to sell this book. Step 6. Under Payment Policy, choose the payment policy you previously created. If Allow Offers is turned off, make sure to turn it on. Step 7. Under Shipping Policy, select the shipping policy you've already set up. Step 8. In the Preferences section, click the pencil icon to edit. Select the country you're selling from and enter a valid zip code. Under Return Policy, choose the return policy you created, then click Done. Step 9. Finally, click List It to publish your first manual listing, and that's it. You're now ready to use EcomSniper with your first item live.